Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a wig styling video. I'm going to be styling this gorgeous wig from Malindahair. It came pre-colored and it's a really beautiful shade of brown. So yeah, without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited for this video. I'm going to show you guys how I styled this wig. The wig came pre-colored. It's a kinky straight wig, and I'm gonna show you guys how I cut layers in the wig and stuff, and I curled it. Anyways, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Turn on the notification bell so I'm notified when I upload my videos. And without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. So this is the box that the wig came in. As you can see, it's Malindahair, and inside the box you have the wig, and then you have lashes, clips, a wig cap, and adjustable band, extra adjustable band. So yeah, that's what comes in the box. So this is the wig straight out of the pack. As you can see, it's kinky straight hair, 20 inches, with a very universal shade of brown that will work on a lot of skin tones. Also a nice transition at the roots. And now inside the wig you have combs for extra security, and as you can see, it has a pretty wide padding space. There's also an adjustable strap, and now I'm showing you guys what the parting looks like. As you can see, it's pretty wide, so this is going to allow your lace to look more natural when you lay it down, because the wider the parting space, the more natural the wig looks. Now as you can see, I'm showing you guys the hairline. This is their Nano Lace Bionic hairline, which is kind of like an upgrade from a regular HD lace, because it's constructed to be thinner, so it lays flatter and has a skin-like finish. And as you can see, the hair is plucked to perfection. It looks like a natural human hairline, as you guys can see, plucked to perfection, and the knots are invisible as well. So I'm just showing you guys the difference between the Nano Lace and other laces. Like I said, Nano Lace is an upgraded version of the HD lace, and as you can see, it's invisible on my skin. You guys can see the brown lace, you can see the transparent lace, but the Nano Lace is the only one that is almost invisible on my skin. You can barely see it. It's very transparent. It completely blends into my skin, and it's super breathable as well because of how flat and how thin it is. Just look at that, guys. You can clearly see the difference. So now I've put the wig on my head, and when I put this wig on my head, immediately I knew I was going to have an amazing install. This wig fits me perfectly. It's literally my exact size, and the lace just lays very flat. I just knew that this was going to be a sweet install, and it was going to look amazing at the end. So now I'm gonna start with the layering of this wig. I'm not laying the wig down yet. I normally do that as the last step, so I'm gonna cut and layer the wig first before I lay it down. So as you can see, I'm doing like a small triangular section in front on both sides, kind of like a V. Well, this part of the video is going to be sped up because I already have 2 videos where I go into detail on how I layer my wigs. It's the same technique I always use, so this part is really going to be sped up. You can click the ad at the top if you want to watch my 2 previous videos that are more detailed and slowed down so that you really get the technique. But yeah, as you can see, I'm combing one side of the front to the other side of my face around my eye, and I'm just going to do point cutting. I'm not cutting it straight across. I did point cutting so that it has this nice tapered effect and it's not too thick. And as you can see, I'm just pulling it to my side to see how it will look when I curl it. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Like I said, this part of the video, I'm going to speed it up. If you want to see this entire process in detail, just click the eye at the top. So now I'm going to move on to the next section. We're going to be doing a diagonal section from the parts down to the side of your face. I'm going to comb it out, and I'm going to use the front piece that I already cut to measure. So I'm going to take the longest part of the front piece, and I'm going to use that as a measuring guide for this part that I'm about to cut right now. After that, I'm going to do another section from the parts to my ear, and then use the previous part that I layered as a guide. So the longest piece of the previous part I layered is going to be where I start cutting this part from. So I'm done with that side. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Just take sections from the parts to your side, to the side of my face, and then the longest piece of the previous section I cut is going to be where I start cutting from for my current section. Again, if you want to see this layering process in detail, click the eye at the top to see my 2 previous videos where I did this in detail. So now I'm done. I'm practically done doing the main layering. I'm just gonna go in with my scissors and just cut a little bit here and there that I feel needs more layers. And now we're gonna work on the back. So I'm just gonna take some hair at the crown. I've done these layers many times, so I can estimate how much hair that I need. If you're new, if you're a beginner, like I said, watch my 2 previous videos so that you see how to do this, and when you practice, eventually it will become easy for you and you can just easily estimate how much hair you need at your crown. So again, I'm going to pull the hair towards the front, hold it at a 90-degree angle, and do my point cutting again so it's a smooth transition and there are no like sharp jagged uneven layers. So that's basically it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go curl this wig, and that's when you really see the beauty of the layers. But before then, I wanted to show you guys what the hairline looks like. I haven't cut the lace yet. I'm just putting it on my own hair to show you guys the hairline once more. So now I'm about to go finish curling the hair and we're gonna start laying the lace. So I curled most of it off camera. I curled the back off camera. I hate curling hair on my head. It's so stressful. So now I'm about to start laying the lace with my got2b. Again, I've done this a million times on my channel, so you guys already know what I do. Basically, spray my got2b and take a blow dryer to dry down the hairspray. I'm gonna do this all over my hairline, and because this wig was my size, laying it down was super easy. Oh my god, this is one of the easiest, the most stress-free, seamless installs I've ever done. So now I'm just taking a razor to cut off the excess lace. Then after that, I'm gonna go back in with the got2b and just spray a tiny little bit on the edges, on the part where I just cut off with the razor, because cutting it with the razor lifts the lace a little bit. So I'm just gonna spray right at the edge, just a tiny bit, just to seal in the lace and seal the lace down properly. And as you can see, I haven't even put foundation or tinted my lace yet, and see how it's already looking like scalp. It looks very seamless. Just look at the hairline. It's already looking very scalp like, because the knots are invisible and because of how transparent the lace is. Like, I haven't even tinted it yet and it's already looking this good. Just wait and see how it will look after I tint it. So now I'm just taking my curling iron and I'm finishing up the curls. As you can see, I'm curling the hair away from my face, and then I'm going to use a clip to hold the curls so that they set properly. This wig takes heat really well. Look at the hairline, guys. I haven't even put makeup or tinted it yet. Anyways, so this is like about an hour later and I finally put my makeup on, and I'm gonna show you guys this hairline up close. Guys, look at this hairline. Tell me this isn't one of the best, if not the best install I have ever done. This is seamless. It looks like it's growing out of my scalp. Just look at that. Like, look at it for yourself. This is incredible. This hairline is amazing. This is literally a perfect install. So now I'm taking out all the clips and then I'm going to run my hands through the hair, fluff it, and yeah, to separate the curls and all of that. And as usual, my wig video is not complete without my iron. I'm gonna use my iron to press it down at the top so that it lays down flat. So this is the wig finally. It's such a gorgeous wig. I love the color, love the shade of brown, and because of the way I layered this, you can actually wear this wig in so many different styles. So this layering makes the wig very versatile. I'm gonna insert some clips of different styles that I did with this wig so that you guys will see how versatile the wig is. So let me know down below which of the styles you guys like, and let me know what you guys think about the wig. Definitely stay tuned to the end of this video because now we're about to talk about the specs of the hair and where you can order it from. Okay guys, so this is the 20-inch kinky straight wig from Malindahair. This lace is definitely one of the best installs I've ever done. You guys saw how natural it looks like. It literally looks like it's growing on my scalp. I didn't even need to do any baby hairs at all. And that's how you know a lace is good, when you do not have to do baby hairs. So this is their new Nano Lace. And the Nano Lace is kind of like an upgrade from regular HD lace. The lace isn't as thick as normal lace, so it lays much flatter on the scalp and stuff, and it's more transparent. And you don't have to do any plucking. You don't have to bleach the knots or anything like that. You might have to tint the lace a little bit if you're a darker skin tone. So if you're darker skin like me, you can either tint the lace before you install it, or just literally go over it with your foundation brush. That's literally what I did. That's literally what I do all the time. I just go over it with my foundation brush and it blends in seamlessly, so it's not like a big deal. The lace is very durable as well, and it's quite soft, so it's not going to feel uncomfortable on your hairline. And it's quite skin-like because the mesh of this Nano Lace is cut really tiny, and it's woven pretty well together, so it gives you that skin-like soft finish. You don't need to use a lot of glue and adhesive to get this to lay down flat on your scalp. To be honest, I actually think you can wear this without even using any glue. You can wear this glueless because of how flat it is and how properly the wig is constructed. And the lace is actually very breathable as well, so it's going to allow air really circulate in your head. It's not going to feel stuffy when you wear the wig. It has invisible knots, and also the hair is attached to the lace really well, so you don't have to worry about excess shedding on the lace. And sometimes when you have wigs that the lace sheds a lot, it tends to cause a lot of knotting and a lot of tangling on the lace, and that usually reduces how long the wig and how long the lace lasts. Apparently the brand claims that the hairline is the construction of the hairline, the design for the hairline is simulated from the growth of the hairline during adolescence, and you know that's literally when you have the most amount of hair in your younger years. So I think that's the the templates they use to construct the hairlines. A lot of times, like when you get colored hair from brands, you might have to tweak it a little bit to make sure that it matches your skin tone, but this one matches my skin tone perfectly. It's such a beautiful shade of brown that will work for a wide range of skin tones. The hair itself is super soft, very soft hair, and as you can see, it holds curls really well. Definitely you can use hairspray if you want the curls to last longer. The hair has a lot of body, a lot of volume, and I barely got any shedding or any tangling. This hair is straight 10 out of 10 for me. I have no complaints. It's a solid 10, literally no complaints at all. And the best part about it for me is that it fits my head perfectly, and that just made it such an easy install. When I literally when I put the wig on my head, I could already tell that I was gonna have an amazing install because of how well it fits me. So yeah, that is all for the specs of the hair. I absolutely love this. I love the cut, I love the color, I love everything about it. Like I said, this hair is from Malindahair. Really nice customer service. If you want to order hair from them, and if you have any questions or anything like that, definitely reach out to them. They'll respond to you really quickly, and they're very polite. Really nice customer service. So yeah, you would not regret your experience shopping with them at all. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below, my face on this side. Also, do not forget to watch my other wig videos on this side. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.